to draw a snowy covered house. Let's start with a kind of a curve at the top, and then this is going to be the roof. It's coming out sideways like that at an angle, and then we want to come around like this. So this is the snow hanging down from the roof, and we want to get this the same here and the same kind of thing on that side. That's okay. Now we'll come in, if that's the edge, we want to come in quite a bit. So in snowy kind of countries, the eaves hang over quite a long way. And we're going to come down, let's say to about there. And up at the top here, we are going to have a window. So the top window, that's the window frame up at the top. You're going to see that. So there's not going to be any snow involved there. But there is going to be some snow on the windowsill, I think. So we'll get the snow going and maybe icicles like that. And then we want to draw the window frame like that. And then here we're going to have the front door, which is going to have like a porch over the top, and that's going to have snow and icicles and things hanging down like that as well. So here we want to get a kind of a door shape. So it's all going to go a bit deeper there, I think, like that. So these can come down as well a bit further. You have to kind of alter the thing as you go along to get it looking right. And then that means here we can have a window. It's not a sill, I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, it's the bit over the window like that. And then we can take that window down to there, and that will be the same on that side. And then again, we're going to have snow and icicles hanging from the windowsill here. So we go blob, 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 blob like that. We're going to want to have a little window in the door and a handle, and I think we're going to want to have like a Christmas wreath on there as well, so like that. And we'll have some ribbons hanging down. Let's have a step, and we can have the path coming down that way like that. And then that means we can have the snow going there and the snow behind like that. We're going to want window frames, aren't we? Little window things like that. So put those little squares in there, like that. Oh, that's a bit, it's a bit wonky. I'm going to put a little extra frame around that window there, I think. And then I think we're going to need a chimney as well. So let's put the chimney up there. And we'll put snow on the top, and then we'll have the chimney pot on the top with smoke coming out of it. And I think we can make it just look a bit more interesting with some bricks. So put these, like that's half one, and then that's like a little quarter one. Quite often put these things together as pairs. And like that. So do a long one and a short one right on the edges of things like that. And that kind of, yeah, so we do like that together. And then we can do a couple there. You don't need to draw every brick. That's the wonderful thing. I think sometimes you feel you have to draw every single brick, and then it just looks really messy. So let's just leave it like that. Or what about the chimney? We want some in there as well. And let's do it like that. And that's how you draw a snow-covered house. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawings. Bye.